We also need to include our variables header. Our add function needs a variable as a parameter. There it is. We first create a node, we allocate it. And we need to cast it. We assign to the variable field of the node our variable passed as a parameter, and to the next pointer we assign the start of the list, so we add in the head of the list. That's all. Oh yes, I forgot, it's a pointer, because we allocated before, so we need to adjust that. It's a pointer, as you can see. Oh, let's rename it to list add and list remove, so we are sure it's for the list. And we can continue with our save var function. We add the variable to the list, and that's our save var function. Let's fix a few pointers. There we go. We also need another function to search in the list for our needed for our needed variable. So we can search if it's already there, or if we have to create another one from zero. It's done. Now we want to assign a value to our variable, so for example 5, and print it out, but for now we can only print the variable. We can only create a variable, not assign the value and print it. So we have to create a function where we can use it to assign a value to variable. We need another else here. See, yes, when no command is found, for example number equals 5, number is the name of a variable, not a command, a specific keyword. So it might be a variable operation, for example an assignment. We have to check that, and if it is like that, we can proceed with the operation. We need to search in the list of variables if it already exists. If it's a variable name, we need to check if we have to create it, or if we already have it, we can change its value. So we search for it, passing to list search the name of the variable, which actually is a command string. And if the function returns something that's not null, we can call variable op, which is our function, passing the struct of our variable and the other part of the parsed line, so equals 5. We create the function, we need to check if it's an assignment. For now, we will only handle assignments, no operations like plus, addition, subtraction, and for now we will only handle integer assignments. So that we have to check if it's an assignment. So we need to check if it's equal. Okay, so we handle variable integer because for now we won't check what type it is before assigning only integer for now. Later we will add it, types and more cool things. We can get the value. We also have to include the list because we need to have access to some list functions. We have to copy the prototypes of the functions to our header so we can access their functions from other files. There we go. List search and list remove. Fine. We now need to print the number. So in our print function we need to check if what we are going to print after the print keyword is a variable. So number is a name of a variable. So we search for a variable called number if it exists. So if vary, we can go and print the value. For now only integer, remember. Otherwise we just print the text behind the print keyword. There it is. Here we have to change a few things to get the name of the variable. Yes, because fgets function to read from the file doesn't remove the \n at the end of the line, so we need to remove it with this small trick. This is just to remove the \n ending character of the line. Otherwise list search won't be able to find the correct variable. Also in variable loop we have to change a few things. We will obviously write a better parser as the times goes on, because that's not obviously the best way to get parts of the line from the file. We are just getting some parts with some different functions, not really the best. We will make it better with time, don't worry. So what our program should do is creating a variable called number, assigning 5 to the variable number, and print the value 5 of the variable number. So we can now compile our program, our parser, and execute the parser. As you can see, it prints out the value 5. Thank you for watching, and remember you can see the program source on GitHub. I will leave the link in the description as always. And thank you for watching again, and see you soon with the next video. Bye.